Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was over to Nichols Paint and Fab's open house, and if you've not seen that place, holy cow, what a beautiful facility. And while I was there, I had an opportunity to shoot a 2019 Yenko Camaro I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around and we'll take a quick look at it. How cool is that? I had the opportunity to do like a walk-by on one out at SEMA, probably in 2019, you know, in one of those walk-around videos that I do, but I didn't do a feature on it. And then I went to the Nichols Paint and Fab open house, and one of their clients, Tom, he had one. He was gracious enough to let me take time with it and do whatever I wanted. You know, I had opportunity to get some really good video of it in a beautiful location. Look at that shop, would you? You got to see this place. It is crazy cool. But this car is too. Now, it doesn't have a lot to do with the Yenko family. Don didn't copyright Yenko supercars back in the day, so there was a whole, you know, yada yada about that. That's all been sorted out, and so there is another company that is actually building Yenko Camaros now. They built 50 of these in 2019. 25 were 835 horses, and 25 were 1,000 horsepower. The package price for the 1,000 horsepower was right at $67,000, $66,995, and you had to provide a 1LE Camaro. Now, if you wanted the stage 2 at 835 horse, then that took a 1SS or a 2SS Camaro. Again, that pricing is above the price of a regular Camaro, but it's 1,000 horsepower, and the engine is totally custom. So it's not like they just painted some stripes on it and sent it out the door. That's not the case at all. They left all the suspension and everything that GM had perfected over millions and millions of miles alone. That's why the different levels take the different level Camaro with different suspensions in them, I suppose. Interior, there's some badging. You can see the door sills are logo. They have floor mats. This is number 21 of the 25 1,000 horsepower ones that they built. Put some, you know, embroidery work on the headrest. But again, I don't think there's much to change on the inside of a new Camaro. That's well designed and nice and comfortable and all that. I'd leave it alone too. The wheels are 20 inches all the way around. 1,000 horsepower ones have black wheels, and the 835 horsepower ones have gunmetal color wheels, but the wheels are the same, and there is a stagger. It's a good looking car, got a great stance, and as my buddy Michael Blair brought to my attention, blue is my favorite color, and so it had that going for it. I could shoot it in a great location. So the engine is a LT1 stroked to 6.8 liters. It's got 4340 steel crankshaft, forged H-beam connecting rods, forged aluminum pistons. It's got an LT4 cylinder head that are ported to flow air better, and then it's got a custom supercharger on it. The 1,000 horsepower one supercharger is 20% larger, giving it 25% more boost. So how about that for information? For me, always showing up, no telling you I don't know anything about it, but it's cool. This is cool, plus I had a little information on it. And again, if you've not seen Nichols Paint and Fab's new facilities, check it out. I've got a shop tour video coming. You know, if you follow the videos, you know Bill Ray is a friend of mine, was a friend of Don Yenko's, so I'm very interested in the Yenko history. I'm from up north, although I live in Knoxville now. Born and raised in Toledo, so Yenko, Nicky, Lingenfelter, all those I grew up around. Now, Yenko and Nicky, not so much, although the history, my dad and his buddies talking about him. But surely Lingenfelter, yeah, no, I grew up thinking John was the man. One day, I'd love to drive one of his cars, and then I had the opportunity to go in there. Of course, after he passed, Ken allowed me to come in there and shoot some features and tour his collection, and I think he's got a Yenko, as a matter of fact. This is a Nova. I could be wrong. Could be a Chevelle, and then again, it may not be a Yenko. You know, I may have it confused. But no, this was a great opportunity with a cool car, and I think y'all would want to see that. A little different badging on the front, and the hood is carbon fiber. It's custom also. So there you go, from Nichols Paint and Fab, a 2019 Yenko Camaro. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.